Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a tasty and a beautiful Neapolitan cake. A Neapolitan cake is made up of 3 different layers. In one single cake, we get a strawberry layer, a chocolate layer and a vanilla cake layer. Because this cake is made up of the 3 most favorite flavors, the chocolate, vanilla and the strawberry, this cake tastes absolutely delicious. So let's see how to make this Neapolitan cake. To make this cake, I have taken 3 6 inches cake tins. I am using disposable cake tins. Grease your cake tin with oil or butter so that the cake comes out easily. Then preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we'll start preparing the cake batter. Take 4 eggs in a bowl. Make sure the eggs are at room temperature. Add vanilla to it and then beat the eggs till it's light and fluffy like this. Beat it for about a minute. Then add the sugar. I'm using powdered sugar. Beat the sugar along with the eggs. Then add oil and beat it in. I have given all the ingredients in the description box, you can check that out. Now we'll start adding the dry ingredients. For this, place a sieve over the bowl and add all-purpose flour or maida. Along with this, add 1 teaspoon baking powder, some baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix all of this together and sieve it into the bowl. Now combine the dry and the wet ingredients. Don't over mix the batter, just mix it till it all comes together to make a smooth batter like this. Only then our cake will be nice and soft. Now we are going to divide this batter into 3 bowls. Just eyeball it and divide it equally. In the first bowl, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Sieve the cocoa powder into the bowl as there may be some lumps in the powder. Then add 1 tablespoon of milk to this bowl and mix it thoroughly till it makes a smooth chocolate cake batter. Next we are going to make the strawberry cake batter. For the strawberry cake, I am using this strawberry crush. If the strawberries are in season, then you can add fresh strawberry puree itself. If you don't have this strawberry crush, then instead of this you can use this strawberry essence, or you can use strawberry jam or strawberry compote, or you can simply add strawberry essence and some pink color to the batter. If you're using strawberry compote or jam, you can use 1 or 2 tablespoons of it. As I'm using this crush, I have added 1 tablespoon of strawberry crush. Along with this, add 1 tablespoon of milk. Combine this together to make our strawberry cake batter. Leave the third bowl as it is. This will be a vanilla cake batter. Now transfer these cake batter into the prepared cake tin. We need to add some milk to the vanilla cake batter also. I forgot to add it earlier, so I am adding it now and mixing it in. Tap the cake tins on the counter to release any air bubbles. And now it's ready to be baked in the preheated oven for about 20 minutes. These are very small cakes, so it won't take a long time to bake. You can start checking after 18 minutes itself. Each oven is different. If your cake is ready, just put a skewer or a toothpick inside. If it comes out clean, then it is done. Otherwise, bake for a little longer. Wait for the cakes to cool completely and then remove it from the tin. I chose to scrape off the top layer of all the 3 cakes. For the frosting, I have taken 2 cups of whipping cream. Add a 1/4 cup of icing sugar, or you can add powdered sugar too. Then add some vanilla and start to beat this cream. Beat it for about 3 to 4 minutes till it forms stiff peaks. The cream will double and it will also become stiff. So till that time, beat it nicely. We are going to divide the frosting also into 3 bowls to make the 3 different flavors. For the chocolate frosting, I am adding a tablespoon of chocolate ganache. I had some chocolate ganache left over, so I am adding that. If you don't have ganache, you can add cocoa powder. Mix it nicely till it makes a smooth chocolate flavored cream. For the strawberry flavor, again I am using my crush. Here also, if you don't want to use the crush, you can use the strawberry essence or strawberry compote, or if you get fresh strawberries, you can use strawberry puree itself. If you don't have any of this, just add some strawberry essence and pink color and you'll get a nice strawberry whipped cream. I added 1 tablespoon of this strawberry crush and I also added a drop of pink color. You get this strawberry crush in almost all supermarkets now. If not, I'll search for an online link. If I get the online link, I'll leave it in the description box. Mix it nicely to make the strawberry whipping cream. Transfer the 3 whipped cream in a piping bag and refrigerate it till we need it. Now to frost the cake, take your serving platter or a cake board and place a little bit of frosting at the bottom of the base of the cake board and place the first layer, the chocolate cake layer. Soak this chocolate cake. You can use sugar syrup. I'm using milk and sugar. Then spread a layer of the chocolate whipped cream and spread it nicely. And then I added a tablespoon of chocolate ganache. Again, this is optional. I had some chocolate ganache, so I added it here. Then place the next layer, our strawberry cake layer. Soak this layer too. I added a little bit of strawberry crush to some milk and I'm soaking it with it. You can use sugar syrup instead of this. Pipe a layer of strawberry whipped cream and spread it evenly. Then add a tablespoon of strawberry crush and spread it. Now place the third layer, the vanilla cake layer. Soak this layer too with sugar syrup or this milk mixture. Now add a little more cream and do a crumb coat. Add each cream along the respective cake layers and do the crumb coat. Now refrigerate this cake for about 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take the cake out of the fridge and decorate the cake as per your wish. I did this simple petal frosting. I have not shared the video of how to make this spread petal frosting in this video, as it will become a very long video. I'll do this video separately and post the link in the description box. If you need it, you can check it out. So this is it. A very pretty looking and a tasty Neapolitan cake is done. I made this cake for a birthday at home and we absolutely enjoyed it. Not just my family, whoever we shared this cake with thoroughly enjoyed this cake. The 3 distinct layers of this cake makes this cake look very pretty. And the 3 different layers combined together makes this cake so tasty. All the 3 layers of this cake are so soft and moist. Whether you like a chocolate cake, vanilla cake or a strawberry cake, you'll definitely enjoy this cake. So if you have a celebration at home, then do try out this tasty Neapolitan cake. Until next time, bye bye.